Do you know how much noise a miner can produce? Is it possible to sleep with a miner in your house? If you consider using mining equipment inside your house, this video is for you. What's up guys, Majjin here and welcome to the cave. Winter's coming and you might be considering the purchase of mining equipment to heat your house during this cold period of the year. And you would also like to know how much noise our miner can produce. I'm getting asked this question a lot of time, so I've decided to create this video to answer all your questions about miner and noise. To measure the sound in this experiment, I'm gonna use an application on my smartphone. The value might not be super accurate, but it is going to help us understand the difference between each miner. So let's start this one. Right now this rig is mining. If I put my phone here, around 50-55 decibel. If I move a little bit farther, 40-43 decibel. I expect our GPU box to produce more noise than the GPU miner since there are additional fans on the case of the box. I can already tell that this box is producing a lot more noise than the GPU miner. On my meter here, I can see that I'm about 60-63 decibel. At this point, I would not recommend you to use this box inside your living room. But if you have a dedicated room with sound insulation for your mining equipment, you might be alright to use the GPU box inside your home. Let's see how much noise an ASIC miner can produce. Our ASIC miner is running roughly between 65 and 70 decibel. This is a lot of sound. As you can see here, the ASIC miner produces a lot of sound. For this reason, I don't recommend you to use ASIC miner inside your home because you are going to hear them all around the place. For your peace of mind, I recommend you to use ASIC product inside mining farm project. But if you still want to use ASIC miner in your home without the sound inconvenience, I got a solution for you. This is the MinerMaster box for your ASIC miner. It is used to reduce the sound of your ASIC miner. Check this out. The interior of the box is all covered with soundproofing material. Miner and power supply sits at the bottom of the box, and the airflow is assured by fan which force the air in and out of the case. With the lid open, the sound of this ASIC miner is around 70 decibel. But when I close the lid, I am now at 60 decibel, which is a great 10 decibel reduction. If you have any question about the MinerMaster box, drop them in the comment below. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification because we're going to review this product entirely in another video. Alright, quick recap. GPU miner, you can't use this one inside your living room. You might hear it just a little bit, but still very tolerable. Next, MinerMaster Case and GPU box, I recommend to use those inside a dedicated room for your mining equipment. And last, ASIC miner, I don't recommend to use them inside your home unless you want to wear these all the time.